Today I am going to discuss the function of DateDiff, which is the function which is actually provided by Microsoft SQL Server. So let's start. So here is the function on my screen, which is DateDiff function, and it takes three parameters. First one is interval, second one is the date1 and date2. So the functionality of this function is to take the difference between the 2 days with respect to interval, which is actually provided as a first argument in this function. Okay, now if I write down this function in an expression form, it will be most likely it will be written as that, like, result will be equals to date2 minus date1, and it means that if whenever there will be date1, which is the second parameter, and it will be greater than date2, which is the second parameter, then the result will always be negative, otherwise it will be positive. So let's start like this one, like this date, in which I am actually giving the interval of year, and you will see the date difference in year, and it will be negative date, as date1 is date1 is greater than the date2. So let's start with this one, and it will give the difference in year as I have specified in my interval argument. Next comes with the quarter, like between the 2 dates, what is the difference between the 2 days with respect to the quarter. Again, it will be a negative number. So here it goes. See, it's minus 24. Again, if I would like to see the difference between the 2 days with respect to day, so I can also see this by giving the interval day in the interval argument part. So there is a negative 2192 days between these 2 days. Now if I want to see results in positive, so there I need to give date 1, which is here, and it should be less than the date 2, which is here, right? So if I run this statement, I will get positive number of days. So here it is 365, and same goes the case here. I want to see months, but I need to see the difference in positive manner. So here I am actually providing date 1, which is less than the date 2. So if I run this function, I am getting date difference in months, but in positive form. Apart from that, there are multiple switches which you can actually utilize in interval and seek out the difference. So it could be year, quarter, month, any day of the year with respect to day, week, weekday, or minute, second, and even up to milliseconds. Hopefully you have you will like this video, and please don't forget to follow my channel.